guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you my newest Air Force One Shadow shoe pair. So it's about this beautiful shoe out here, guys, in my beautiful colorings. I will show you the shoe from all around the sides, and I hope that you find it as fantastic as I do. So here you can see it from the front. So now I want to show you and tell you a little bit more about these beautiful details about the shoe. So first I want to start with the coloring. As you can see, we have a lot of white coloring out here, but the first interesting thing about this shoe is that you have beautiful different leather parts in combination with a little bit of mesh, which you can find here on the top of the shoe, and it goes all around to the other side here. So yeah, you have these beautiful white leather. It's also in combination with a little bit of ivory color. Here you have these beautiful black leather parts, which you can find all around the shoe, and also, which cannot be missed, it's the Nike logo in red color this time, and also on the other side you find it again in red color, but with a beautiful black shadowing in the behind. So yes, this is why the shoe is called Air Force One Shadow. It's because this shoe has a few of details which are made out in shadow, and here you can see the second example of it. So again, you can see here the Air logo in the shadow with this beautiful red writing on this beautiful black leather strap. And also here on the front you can see the laces, which are in the same color as the sole is. And also this is I think a beautiful ivory color, even though I would do the laces also in a beautiful super dark black or even in red. So the shoe gets a very different dynamic if you change the laces, but of course it's up to you which color of laces you want. So I've got them with ivory color laces, which is the same color as the sole. So now I'm gonna get to the sole, guys, which for me is one of the most interesting and important things when I look at a shoe, because I really need a shoe with a lot of comfort. And as you can see, the sole is thicker than usual, and also this thickness, guys, gives you so much comfort, and you can have a lot of stability while walking. I feel that when I'm walking in them, if I combine them with my jeans or also with my leggings. I also like to wear those with a short skirt in the summer or in the spring. So when I go in my free time, when I go shopping, or when I go just out walking, I really love to wear these kind of shoes with this kind of sole, because I really feel the stability in it. So I've got the shoe, I think, in size 37.5, and I paid 130 euros for them. I will show you both of the pair here, and I hope you like it also. Here on the back of the shoe you can see the Nike logo in white coloring, and also a little bit of the shadow, which is here in red color, but I think there you can see just the half of the logo. Here you can see the side of the shoe. So all in all, guys, this shoe I really like because of the coloring, of the comfort, and for the stability. I can like that I can wear it with so many different styles, and it really gives my character a little bit of another look. I really appreciate it, and I would want to have more Air Force One sneakers, and I would also recommend them to you. So guys, if you like my videos, please comment them, subscribe to my channel, and like my videos.